One, then chamber, strike, strike. All the time. Block, chamber, strike, strike. Okay? Alright, I want you to punch my face, so I move one. Okay, I strike one, I strike two. It could be a back piece, okay? It could be a reach hand. It's up to you how to deliver it. Me, I prepare this one, and it will be going there, two. So, one and two, neck chop is better, okay? So from here, I block, okay? I strike, I strike. Okay? Let's transform it now. That will be four. Neck, or neck, or stop, guys. I will apply the same movement. You can see, apply the first one block, same thing. Alright? So there's no changes. It starts from Kali, followed by a punch, followed by a stop. Alright? I'll stop you right straight to the chest. You do the same. Go. Same. Okay, go. One, grab, one. Alright? So they really go to the side. One, grab. Go. One. Don't touch it. Perfect. Yeah. In the neck. The moment you block this and grab this, when you strike it here, you will pull back. There you go. That's 100%. He will not stay here and allow you to do all your functions. He will retract this. Okay? And you cannot stop him. Alright? So come in here, you go in there, he retracts. Don't drop them down, right? Because you know we gotta all go home with everything. Alright, slowly. One, this strike is fatal. The moment, pull back, grab it. Go there. Okay? Because he will retract it. Okay? One more time, slowly. In here, it is fatal already. Once I hit him. And when he retracts, my hands is here. And I go there. There is the knife. And one, way before, leg down. And this is the twisting of that leg. Alright? Good me. Alright? Let's go. Yeah. Ay, trap. I think you will be comfortable with the drop. You're more stronger, slowly. One, two. When I pull down, I think you're going to be stronger here. When I go, bring it. Yeah. Step up. No. Step back. Yeah. There. And use your chin. There. Yeah. Use your chin. You might be pulling it right away. It will happen. Now, that's why I want you to pull it. For example, your punch, right? I go here, before I can grab it, pull it. I'm going to strike here. Now, strike me again. There you go. I will wait for it. Okay. I strike you two, strike, go here. Now, alright. Strike here, one. When I retract this, bring this here. Step. Bring it here. Then, yeah, here. And now, counter pose. Alright, this arm, okay? I will be arm, okay? One. I strike. Okay, but then, here, there. it's there, right? Protection. Okay? So, if I retract, will you strike me? You have to be there, to be there. And make sure you step forward and yeah. One, two, side. Yeah. Yeah, that's a disarm. Okay? I'm just disarming myself. Alright? One, two, inside. Inside. You put, yeah, so you have, more power. When you pull back this. Okay, now position. Properly. One. Yeah, inside. Inside. Pull back. Alright, okay. See?
I'm so stuck on I'm staying here.
Wrong foot. Stand here. Okay, moving here, there. Right in there, see? Okay. My fourth thing, but better. Right? Always right here. Even pull back, I can follow him here behind. Okay? Because if you just hold it, you're gonna be having a hard time struggling with it. But if you're here, see, you still get able to control it. See? Slack. Even he pull back. We are always aware that he will pull back. That's 100%, right? Yeah? Yeah. He will pull back 100%. One, two. Remember, the number two.
Here.
Lock me. Yeah. Open. See it? Yeah. When I retract, go in. Yeah. No. Yes. It's action. Do not go against his flow because you're gonna be struggling. Oh, he wants to twist. Okay, I'll twist you. Because if you struggle with him, bringing your own technique, you are spending more effort. Because he's fighting you, you're fighting him. Go with his flow. Okay, then give him pain. Okay? Same thing. Okay? Right into the body. One. A block. Now, it pulls. Okay? So when I go in here, it's the same thing. Okay? Hands, arm. Okay? One more. So same thing. Take my body. I move in here. I go there. I go. Disarm. It's the same. Watch it. Else you never see it. I twisted you. So you never change the motion of the hand. Okay. This one. Grab it. Here. Okay. Now bring it to the side. So he will give you the knife. Do not grab the blade. Here. You're gonna be back. Just keep on pulling this. He will submit. See? Alright? So I feel his arm. Okay. He stops me. I go. Now, in here, okay, when I grab it, see? It's always good to train with a knife with two hands because you are protected. This one is good. Okay? Okay, that's traditional. Too much motion, like what I said, good to see, amazing, but it's practical. It depends on your skills. If you are highly skilled, you can apply that. But if you are just new, forget about it. You cannot do that. Okay? Because definitely you're gonna die. Okay? Because in real situation, okay, when you go in there, you must go directly one shot. Okay? Avoid a lot of motion of disarming. Because it takes time. Alright? So, in real fighting, okay, when you go in there, make sure you have the best shot, you have the best breaking technique. Okay? So one shot, he pulls back, there you go. Okay, he pulls back. Okay, so now space in space. Okay, so every action that he will do must be against him. Okay? Because if not, it will be against you. Alright? So it must be in favor of you, not in favor of him. Alright? Now, this is the drill that I want right now. One, right away, grab. When you block, I want this to block and this is to grab. Okay? Again. So, one. Okay? So, good. One. In the way, if he pulls back, I have two hands with me grabbing it rather than no hands at all. Okay? Because if I got no hands, then he will strike me again. Then I will be forced again to move and counter it, which is a lot of motion. I might be cut already. So 1, okay, then 2, both side, and I will show you how to disarm this later, and you learn how to struggle with it, him pulling it back, what we do. Because right now, we are on the training of avoiding and grabbing. Same time, okay? Let's go. 1. Look how it is. I brought it here. So I can go. So I can go here. Okay. One more. Well, first on the first side. 1. Okay. My hand down below is grabbing it here. Okay. And I'm moving that to disarm it here. All right. Okay. So one more. 1. Twist it here. Disarm here. Okay. Now, what about on the other side? Go. When I go in here, I go here and disarm it here. Okay. Again. Slowly. 1, okay, how do I switch it? The whole, I don't release this, I go there, okay, see, now I'm holding it and pushing it, disarming, okay, now, is it possible to disarm? Probably yes, probably not. Now, if in case you go in here, pull back, always make sure, when he pulls back, go on the same side, and you can apply now. There you go, to disarm. Is that it? Okay. Question?
What if I don't get it, like their arms are getting bigger, that I can't get a full?
That's a very good question. Okay.
Like they have to be bigger.
No, for example, you grab in here, okay, and his arm is big. Okay, so you're saying might be like this already because he has a big wrist. Okay, that's why when you move in here, it could be here. It could be here. Okay, when you move in here, that's why you have 2 hands grabbing it. Okay, so when you grab it, okay, grab as hard as you can. Pull back. He's pulling back. Go with him. Do not go against him. Okay, while disarming him. Because the moment you struggle with him, like go, when I go in there, and I go there, go, and I go. Now, I'm losing my energy. But in the same purpose, I was not able to disarm it. Okay, now, this is a long process. This is only the beginning. Because for me, do it to me, Carlo. Okay? Yeah. Come on. Go, do it. I'm really fighting you. Okay? Yep. That's the real scenario, see? Now, at least learn how to block. You were not able to disarm, but you were able to block it. Until such time, you can find a situation wherein, for example, go. I was able to grab it. I'm having a hard time. I tried. He slipped. Again, go. At least, I could, until such time that, I could go closer. Okay. Now, what I'm teaching you is how to defend from multiple attacks. Because that's the real scenario. It's not only once. It's not only twice. It's continuous. Now, if you really want to stop it, could be there. You see, stop. Okay. Go that side. Go. Learn how to grab. Learn how to grab. Learn how to block and grab. Learn how to block and grab. Okay? Because only one of these will remove. Okay. Take it that way. But if I'm holding 2, okay, I could resist. See? I have 2 hands fighting him, rather only 1 hand. But, of course, if I go in there, you see the first strike right away, I didn't allow him to retract. So it's very important that you have a fast reaction. Now look at the blade. Okay? The blade is not cutting me because this is the bladed portion. Okay? It might be bladed too. because he doesn't know how to hold the blade, or probably that's the way he hold the blade. You know, the bladed portion is here. I might be cut in here. Who cares? Okay, who cares if I get cut here rather than I was directly hit? In a knife fight, you cannot avoid to be cut. Trust me, you will be cut.
So just always be prepared to be cut.
But avoid being cut. That's my principle. Avoid this. This will kill you. But this, cut in here. Probably a band-aid will do. And a betadine. Alright? But this one, it might penetrate directly to your heart. So when you go in there, see? Okay? Oh. From there, if I issue the item down, see? I just block in here, and I give him there, and I apply this pressure. Oh, look what happened to him. Okay? Try to pull back.
I don't want to. Yeah.
As I said, back and forth, we're gonna train more of an arm. Okay? Throw me your punch. Only one punch. Okay? To be there, to be there. Now, I'm here. I want the second one punch. I want you. That's the drill. Throw me again. Only one punch. Again. One punch. Again. One. Again. One punch. So I want the footwork. Moving could be neck chop, could be a punch, and watch for the second punch. Move. Disappear. Punch. Only one punch for now. Move. Second punch. Move. Are you hurt now? Yes. Alright. Okay, now, the idea is, come Ethan, slowly, more. You start one, block, no, I want this. Okay, 1, 2, redirect, throw a chop or a punch. It's up to you guys. What for this? Throw, a punch, or a chop. I don't mind. I want only your footwork to be used to it. Throw again, moving on the other side, again, moving the other side, catch it, okay, catch it, go, move it, because the real situation is like this, the real fight, okay, go, that's only the drill, okay, go, punch, okay, I deliver 3 punches, punch, that. What's this punch?
What a punch.
That's Wing Chun punch. Don't go like this. It's moving circular. Okay? Pa, pa, pa. Not roll. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Punch me again. Right hand. 1, 2, 3. Multiple punch. Go. 1, 2, 3. Multiple punch. Go. 1, 2, 3. Multiple punch. Aiming. 1, 2, 3. Multiple punch. Go. Aiming the face. 1, 2, 3. All boxing now, not Wing Chun. This is faster, but you know, not much power. Multiple punches. But this one, go. What? Pa, pa, pa. This deliver more power because you're in a boxing position. Throw again. 1, 1, 2, 3. Boxing form. Okay. Go.